Hello everyone, this is maybe Michelle with an unboxing for the 50P Recon from Turtle Beach. Today in this video we're going to be reviewing three things: the price for the value, the sound quality, and the size and the fit. So let's just get started by looking at the box. So you can see it's the Recon 50P. It is a wired headset and it's made for gaming by Turtle Beach. The motto, I'm guessing, is hear everyone, defeat everyone. Yeah, I think that's about it. It says it has high quality speakers, a lightweight over-ear design. It also has a mic control, so you can like mute it. You can mute your mic. You can add volume, increase the volume, and decrease it. And then there's also an attachable microphone that can just go in and out. So it also works with the PS4 and the PS4 Pro, the Xbox One, the PC, the Nintendo Switch, the Mac, and some types of mobile. So that's about it for the box. Alright, so we're going to start by opening it up. The two tape things on the top, you just have to peel those down with your nails. Or you could also grab a knife and just slit the tape. And yes. So I'll come back to you once I peel the tape off. After much struggle, I was finally able to open the box. So as you can see, you can just peel that up like that, and you'll see some cardboard stuff inside. You can just take the whole thing out, I'm guessing. Or you can just take out, so this is the mic in the wrapper. It comes with the wind piece, so like when you're moving your mic around a lot, or when you're outside recording, or like talking, then this will like not completely, but it will remove the wind sound. So as you can see, this isn't actually coming out like it should, but you can see the headphones are back there. You also, it's relatively hard to pull, there we go. It was relatively hard to pull it out, but here we go. The actual wires are stuck in there. Alright, there we go. So it just came out of its wrapper. That's not really good. And now we have the box with some warranty instruction things. So this is the actual headset itself, so let's just go ahead and take that out. The wires are attached through here to here with this, so you're just gonna have to turn that to open it up, and then you have your headset. So headset looks like this. It's Turtle Beach, just like that, and it has the nice logo inside. This is the blue pair. You're also gonna have to apply this, well, not apply it, just take that off. And here we have the mic control. This is if you want your mic on, and if you switch that down, your mic is off. It's pretty smooth. To increase the volume, you just slide that up. To decrease it, you slide that down. So this is the actual thing. I'm just gonna connect the mic to it right now. So if we just open that, we can easily pull this out, and we have the nice wind mic. So then you just put it through here, and now you have your mic connected to that. And then it just fits on your head like that. The wire is kind of big if you have have a smaller like head, because then it can go all the way over there. It is not retractable. Actually, it is retractable. You can just pull that or push it in. It's kind of harsh though. So this is the smallest size. Well, this is the biggest size. It goes all the way down there. And I'm probably gonna go with the smallest size to show you guys everything. So we're gonna start by showing you mobile on this phone to see how so you're gonna take your normal phone. I have to use an Android because like now they don't have the proper jack for Apple. I guess you can get a converter, but it's gonna be quite a hassle. So you just wanna open it up and then you wanna stick it right in, and nothing happened. I'm just gonna test the sound to see if it actually connected. So let's get this nice and set up. I'm gonna increase that. Let's put that on. We have the nice headset. Okay, so now I'm gonna open up any app. I'm actually gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna open up some music. Music. Okay, so now that we're loading up, we'll just put the volume. Okay, so it comes out of both, which is good. It actually has a really nice quality. So now I'm just gonna test the microphone. So I'm gonna go into an audio recorder right now. Your phone should come with an audio recorder, voice recorder. And now it'll just, once you hit it, it should work. Hello, hello, hello? I'm not sure what it's connected to because it's not picking up any sound. If I unplug it, it starts picking up sound, which is weird. So I'm guessing you need to configure it. So I'm gonna stop that. And I'm actually gonna take the microphone and unplug it. And then I'm actually just gonna plug it in to this jack because it fits, and you can start recording. And then as you can see, it's actually working from the microphone. So so basically I'm gonna record one with and without the mic, and then I'm gonna show it to you. So this is with the mic. This is pretty close to my face. This is farther away. This is when I'm shaking in the air and like blowing in it. Save that. That's gonna be in 12. And then we go back and we're gonna record one without the mic, just a normal sound. And now we're gonna play them both back. So we're gonna start with the normal one. So you can might be here. We're gonna record one without the mic, just a normal sound. And now we're gonna play them. So this is with the mic. This is pretty close to my face. This is farther away. This is when I'm shaking in the air and like blowing in it. As you can hear, it barely picks up the blowing sound, which is good because it has the wind piece on. And it also comes with it, so you don't have to buy an extra one. You can also hear the difference. It reduces background noise because of this. So I'd say the mic is really good to have, and like when you're recording with your phone, you can just stick it in here and talk like that to it. Even though it's small, it's pretty useful. And you can also, I'm sure there's a way to get the mic to work, I'm just not sure how. So next we're going to be testing it on Xbox properly, but it actually has a good quality. Considering $60, I would definitely buy these. So now we're just gonna move on to PC and see how it works. Okay, so I'm here at my PC. So what you wanna do, you wanna get the end of it. So you see this. So I just wanted to clarify, it's not a USB for some of you who don't know that. It actually connects to the audio one. Most connect to the USB, so I just wanted to clarify that. So what you wanna do, you wanna find the one that looks like a headset back here. And you just wanna plug that in, so you can see that plugged in. And now you can go to your headset and you can hit here. So I'm just gonna put it on. Okay, So now that I put it on, I just want to mention the cups are actually like adjustable. I didn't see that before, so it can fit to basically any type of head. Put it on, you can increase the size, and now I'm just gonna play the music. It turns on right away. You don't need to configure anything, which is pretty impressive compared to other mics I had in the past. I'm gonna put this full volume so you can try and hear it. This is clean. So the quality is actually pretty impressive. I would recommend getting this for the mic quality and the actual audio. Okay, so now we can pause that. And I think that's about it in our review. Now we just have to go over the 3 columns. So the 3 columns we had at the beginning was the value for price, the fit, the size, the quality, and the sound quality. So starting for value for price, it is around $60. I got mine at the source. I'm not sure about other places. It's pretty good for the value for the money. The sound is really good. It also comes with the wind dampener, so you can't hear any wind when you're blowing into it or you're waving it around in the wind, or the sound quality is also really good. It's a really nice fit to any type of head. Basically, you just need to expand it. You can just arrange the cups, and yeah, it's really easy to connect. And it also goes on multiple platforms like Nintendo, PS4, Xbox, PC. And also it goes on mobile, which is impressive. I haven't seen one of the big gaming ones go on mobile, since most of them are USBs. And so I'd rate the value for the price around a 9 out of 10, because it's really good, keeping in mind that it's $60. Next up, we have the size and the fit. So it feels really nice when you get it on. The only thing I might add to it is that some of those headsets, they might have I didn't notice they had these, but they might want to have a bigger one of those, since it kind of hurts your head when you're wearing it for a really long time. It also messed up my hair a lot. Other than that, it's really good. It's nice and comfy here. The cups are adjustable, so no matter if your head's like that or it's like that, you can get the perfect size. The only thing I might add is that the cable's really short, so yeah, so it's kind of hard. You might want to add an extension to that. So I'd rate the size, quality, fit 8 out of 10. Okay, last but not least, we have our column for the sound quality. So for all the things we tried mobile, Xbox, and PC. The mobile was on Android. We also tested the mic. The mic was really good compared to your normal average talking. Not actual talking, but talking into a phone, or your built-in microphone in your phone. It gets kind of blurred and windy. But then with the mic, it feels so much better. This, it reduces the wind, and the sound quality is really good. I know you guys probably couldn't hear it that well, but when I was hearing it, it sounded really good, and I'd recommend getting it. I'd rate that a 9 out of 10 too. So overall, I'd rate the whole thing an 8.5 out of 10, because it's all really good considering the price, and I think you should get it. It's relatively new. It works on a lot of platforms, which is good, so you can easily change it. And yeah, that's going to be it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and please turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!